Hello friend, first of all I welcome all of you in the first class of free computer learning worldwide. This is Sunit and you are watching Computer Guruji 1 channel. Friends, today we will discuss about the topics like what is the computer, what are the features of the computer and what are the limitations of the computer as well as what are the applications of the computer. As this is the first class and as I earlier mentioned that we will take it from the basic level and teach each and every students from the basic level, basic concept of the computer. So on the first topic we will come to know. Today we will understand in simple language what is computer, how we can understand the computer. Friends, the first thing that you should know that computer is an electronic device. All of us know that computer is an electronic device because it is made of electronic components. And this is that electronic device which is operated from the electricity, right? The first thing that computer is an electronic device which is operated from the electricity. And in the computer, when we insert the 230 volt AC and after that it has an SMPS which convert it into the DC voltage. Although all the electronic components are operated from the DC voltage, but it required the electricity. So computer is an electronic device which is operated from the electricity. And computer is operated as per our instructions. As per our instruction means whatever the instruction we provide, computer work in that manner. So computer is an electronic device which work on the electricity and work as per our instructions. This is the simple language of computer. And if we talk about the origin of the computer, then friends, you should know that computer word is taken from the Greek word compute. Greek word compute means calculations. So in the old days, computer were used for only the calculations purpose. It was used for calculations, although with the time it is not only used for the calculations, it is also used for the logical operations. If we talk about a little bit history of the computer, because we will not go into the depth of the history of computer, if we talk slightly about the history of computer, so the first general computer was invented by Charles Babbage, which was the foundation of modern computer system. That's why Charles Babbage is called the father of the computer. Now, if you define the computer in a technical language, or you can say what is the proper definition of computer, then computer is an electronic device which accept the input data, then process that data as per our instructions, and provide us output in the required form. I further explain it. Computer is an electronic device which accept the input data, then process that data and provide you output as per your requirements. Either you want the display, either you want the printout, either you want the soft copy, either you want the hard copy. It provides you the output as per your requirement. That machine is called computer. So this is the very simple definition and technical definition of the computer. What is a computer? Now we will come to the features of the computer. What are the features? What are the characteristics of the computer? Broadly, if we see, the features of the computer is fast, accurate, diligent, memory, multitasking, etc. Now we will discuss one by one all the features of the computer in a simple language. First feature of the computer, when we said that fast, computer is an electronic machine, computer is a very fast machine. The speed of the computer is very high. And if we talk about the speed depends upon the RAM and processor of the computer. In the old time, the speed of the processor was only in KB MB. But now, at present scenario, the speed of the processor is more than 3.5 GHz. And 1 GHz is equal to billions of pulses per second. So, if we talk about the computer feature, then the first feature and most important feature, that is the speed of the computer. These days computers are very high speed more than 3.5 and 4 gigahertz speed of the computers. The next feature of the computer is accurate. Computer has accuracy in its work. Whatever you give the input data, if you give the input data 2 plus 2, then it will definitely provide you the 4 output. It always gives you the correct results. So the accuracy of computer is very high, and in the rare condition the accuracy of the computer is mismanaged. So computer is an accurate device. This is the main feature of the computer. And the next feature of the computer is diligent. Friends, here diligent means, I will explain you in the simple language. Diligent means never get bored, never get tired. Computer is that electronic device which never get tired. Whatever the work you give it, it will perform the work with the same speed, with the same accuracy, never get tired. So this is the diligency, which is the main feature of the computer. Then the next feature of the computer you see is the memory. You all know storage is most important these days. Either it is your mobile phone or it's your laptop or your desktop. So computer use the two type of memory. One is the primary memory and secondary memory. In the traditional days, computer were with the small capacity of memory, but these days computers are with the big memories. You can see the computer with RAM of 4 GB and 8 GB are the normal trend of the people, and hard disk are in terabytes, 1 terabytes, 2 terabytes, 6 terabytes, 10 terabytes. So the memory and storage capacity of computer is the main feature of the computer, which make everything possible. You can store a lot of data, videos, audios, documents in the computer. Next feature of the computer, that is multitasking. Multitasking is the most important feature of the computer. In this feature, a single computer can do the multiple tasks simultaneously at a time. You can do work on your MS Word document. You can also simultaneously listen to music on the computer. Or if you want to play some games, at the same time you can play the games. So the processor of the computer has created this phenomena that computer is capable of doing the multitasking. Single computer can do the multiple tasks at the same time. So this is the feature of the computer. As there are a lot of features of the computer, if everything has some merits, some features, some characteristics, some good things, then there are some bad things also. So there are little bit limitations of the computer. Although these limitations are not much more, because there are a lot of benefits of this computer, then there is one limitation, that is the user. Computer always need a user. Computer can't do anything without user. If there is someone who will give him instructions, then only he will perform the task and provide you the output. And the second limitation of computer is the intelligence. Computer is not too much intelligent. Computer will give you output as per your instructions. Whatever you will feed, it will provide you output. So when we talk about the intelligence, although in these days there are artificial intelligence, AI is the next generation computers. Even then, although there is AI, artificial intelligence, even then we have to give him instructions how he has to perform the output, how he has to give the output. So computer is not much intelligent, although there is the presence of artificial intelligence. So these are the two limitations of the computer. If we talk about the applications of the computer, there are the enormous applications of the computer. Everything include the computing, everything include the computer and electronic devices. So the most important applications of the computer are in first, education field. In these days, all the school and colleges are providing the education on multimedia. You can see there are the interactive boards, smart boards. All the records of the students are stored in the computer, Excel sheets, and all the latest study materials you can use the internet. So in the education field, computer is the integral part of the education and providing the best way of education with the help of computer. Next application of computer is known as business. Business is also using the computer, as you can make the inventory, record of goods, your bills, everything is online as well as offline on your computer, on your laptop, on your desktop. So business is also the major field of application of the computer. Next is the publications. In the publication, computer is totally used in the publication. Either it's a newspaper, magazine, periodicals, competitive books. All are using the computer for printing as well as providing you the soft copy. You can get the e-magazines, e-newspaper with the use of computer, laptop and desktop. The next application of the computer is in the office work. All the office work in the world is depending on the computer. All the offices are integrated with local area network, wide area network. You can store the information of your employees as well as the reports of the employee in the computer. So computer is the integral part of the office. And next application of computer is known as medicines. In the field of medicines, computer is must. All the research works, all the testing of the medicines, everything is done by the computer. And next, that is known as the communication. Beside the research work, computer is the integral part of the communication. Either you are watching this video on the YouTube, this is also happening due to the computer. Internet is the main blessing which is possible with the computer. So everything which is surrounded us, if you will see, everything is using the computer. So there are enormous applications of the computer. So we will not make the lecture too long. These are the main applications of the computer. So this is the first day. So today we will not make the very long video, and I think I explain you what is a computer, what are the features of the computer, what are the limitations of the computer, and what are the applications of the computer. If you have any doubt or any query in this lecture, if something is not clear to you, you can write in the comments. Our team is always ready to help you. And if you like this session, then please touch on the like button. And if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Just you have to touch the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload the video, you can get the notifications first of all. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep on watching Computer Guruji channel. Have a good day.